Hey, what's up YouTube? We are back again with another video. We have the Redmi Note 10 Pro device in our hand right now, and it's coming with a 108 megapixel of camera sensor, a mid-range 732G processor inside, and 120 Hz of refresh rate. So obviously in this particular video we are going to test out the PUBG Mobile game on that particular machine and see how this device is going to be performing. So first I am going to open up the developer option and go down towards the monitoring, where we can see that which kind of refresh rate this device is going to be working on and what is going to be the temperature right now. So basically we have the temperature and the refresh rate here. We have 120 Hz of refresh rate running right now, and it has a temperature of the device of 36.9 degree. So I'm going to open up the PUBG Mobile game and play it for a couple of moments or half an hour and see how the temperature is going to be performing. We also have the battery capacity of 30% right now, so we will check out that as well, how it's going to perform in half an hour. So let's play the game. After opening up the game booster is going to be running on the background, and also we have the 60 Hz refresh rate shifted from there, and the temperature is still 36.7 degrees. So the game is turning on right now. We are going to see how this game is going to be performing. So as the game is loading right now, we will first check out in the settings whether it's going to be supported by 90 fps or not. So I'm going to open up the setting first, and in settings we are going to show the graphics. In smooths we have low, medium, high and ultra setting. No 90 fps is here. I think that the chipset doesn't support the higher fps in the device, because I have already tested the Galaxy A52 device, which was not working with 90 fps as well. We have the balanced and ultra option, we have HD option, and we don't have the HDR option right now available in here. So here we're in the TDM match right now, and we are going to see that the game is working particularly fine here. There is no lag or whatsoever available here, but the temperature goes up to 39 degrees right now, and they are not.
Blue team has scored for the first time. Reloading. Expired. Enemy killing spree for the blue team. The blue team is unstoppable. The blue team is heading to a perfect win. Target down. Clear. Cover me.
Blue team victory.
So here we go, we win the game in here. So we have the winner here right now. I'm going to test out the other option we have, like the Erangel. We will test out whether this game is going to be performing better or not in this particular mission. The game is running pretty smooth in here, as you can see, and there are a bunch of other options available here. We had the temperature at 38.9 degrees and 60 Hz of refresh rate is right now running, and the FPS meter is not showing here right now. I don't know the reason why the MIUI 12 is not supported by the FPS meter. I'm hoping that it's going to be around 40 FPS of the game that is going to be running. So guys, the game is working perfectly fine here. As you can see, it's working really good, and if you see the temperature in here, you will be noticing that it's going to be on 41.6 degree and 60 Hz of refresh rate, which means that the device temperature has been increased by some mean. And I have been playing that particular game for around about 25 minutes now, and I'm going to go back and see what is going to be the temperature of that particular device. It is 41.6 and the battery capacity is 25%, which means that this device is going to be taking too much of battery capacity in order to play the PUBG Mobile game alongside with 120 Hz of refresh rate. So guys, this is my opinion regarding the PUBG Mobile game, that it is going to be a decent device now, not as much good as you can expect. The Mi 10T is going to be the perfect device, or the Poco F3, which has recently been launched, is going to be a perfect device if you want to play games on that particular machine. And here, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this device? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.